process alarm, right?
Yes.
Likelihood, I can say it is a B. Because you are not doing a startup every month, every day.
Yeah.
And consequence may be low, not high, correct?
It could be low, yes.
Because if you see the risk matrix, so we are saying maybe there is delay, is a notable situation, maybe half an hour delay or 1 hour delay. So we are seeing low category, correct? So low category here is you don't need urgent action. So this is a low and not urgent. Low and not, what is low and not urgent?
Yeah, that could be minimum P3, right?
Low, P3, yeah.
P3.
We are okay. And this is HMA, undoubtedly HMA. And one bar G, you are saying set point?
Yeah.
One bar G.
Okay.
One bar, sorry, it's differential.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So good guys. So with this now we have seen all the alarm of the slack catcher. And for discrepancy and other, we will take as a typical one at the end, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now after slack catcher, what equipment? First stage separator?
First stage separator.
Please check this down. Please check the PNID, any alarm missed in this catcher before going
Yeah,
there.
please.
So it's the pin ID, right? So we covered the PAH, we covered the PASL, right? PSDL, PSDH, LSH, which is LSDH, low also, and
High also.
low, and pre-alarm high, pre-alarm pressure, pre-alarm high, and pre-alarm low. Yeah.
And flow alarm. And flow alarm.
And the flow alarm here. Low
Yes.
flow alarm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we covered everything.
What about this liquid side are covered? This
Yes, this is all
this if liquid and gas both sides the flow is covered, right?
Which one? Which one, Guru?
No. Many this liquid side flow and
Liquid side. Yeah, liquid side.
Yes.
We only have this one. Low flow.
Yeah,